Okay, hello again. Hopefully we have the audio synchronized. If not, I'll be really put out. Been fixing that for the past 5 minutes. New technologies. Gotta love them. So, oh, whoops. I have to pull one thing up real quick because I want to talk about what I've been doing. In addition to sign up, I have also been working on, there we go, palettes. There we are. There we go. I've also been working on getting, what are they called? A palette, I guess, for the website. So played around with it a little bit yesterday, picked some basic colors, and now I'm ready to refine that more, which I did. So these are now the colors for TreeHub, and I also have colors for the form for TreeHub. So these are used making green check marks and red X's and loading GIFs and things like that for the form, which is really cool. So here is TreeHub. So here's what we did. So now when you go in here, it actually checks against Firebase to see if the username is actually is valid. So if you remember the Johnny Embigood, the username is already taken, but Johnny Embigood is good. We are case insensitive, and I've already signed up another user today with Foo. So let's choose Bar as our username. Email, I didn't go all out. What I was looking for in validation is just like something at something dot something with some dot something dot something. So you can have at subdomain.domain.com if you wanted to. So let's just do a@b.com. Now, I'm not actually running to the server to verify this, to see if the email exists. I don't know if I will, but I'll give you a hint. This one's already used. So we'll go ahead and pick a password. All I do is 8 characters. I'm not going to try to enforce any such silliness right now. So let's go ahead and sign up. Oh, email's already in use. So go ahead and do a@c.com and sign up. There we go. That's it. It worked. Yay! And we have an empty Gravatar image, which we'll probably want to, if it's empty, default to something else instead of the Gravatar. We can do that. Still haven't done it yet. But so we have a logged in homepage, and you go here and you have this. So we can actually create repo 1, create repo 2. Here we go. Things like that. And in our app dashboard, there is Bar right there. Simple login 9. See, there's our repositories. And he's down here, simple login 9, email a@c.com, Bar, and there's his usernames. So all of that is now working. Yay! Which is very, very, very wonderful. So I do have a few things. Let me log out. I can log in as this guy, a@c.com. And yep, there's my repository still there. So everything's still there and kosher. You'll notice on the main page, I've standardized. These colors are now all appropriate and matching, and everything looks nice, and things are happy. Getting some weird artifacting going on some of the images. Not exactly sure what's going on. It's a Chrome issue. I updated Chrome yesterday, and it's having fun things happen to it. Huzzah! So I can still log in as me. There's all my stuff. So there we go. I did get the permissions in there. So essentially you can if you're authenticated, you can claim a username, and you can read a username or check for the existence of a username. Anyone can look and see if a username is available. Or if you're trying to actually read it, you have to be here. So if no data is in here, sure, you can read no data. But if there is data, you have to actually own it. And again, we're going to change owner to admins and other things like that. But for now, that's all we're doing. We got fun stuff going. My hotkeys are now broken. Thank you for breaking my hotkeys. So funky things are happening. Not quite sure what's going on. Who knows? Maybe the audio is all out of sync now. But take care. See you tomorrow. And if I keep on having trouble with this software, I don't think I'm going to use it anymore.